Hey guys, meet Mimi. So I'm going to be surprising my mom with that cat that I just showed you guys. So yeah, if you guys wanna see me surprise my mom for Mother's Day, just keep on watching. So I've talked about wanting a cat to my mom for a while now, and she's like been open to it, but not really. She just like doesn't really want to deal with having an animal in her house. So I think she's gonna like be really mad at me and not react well to it. So let's just see what happens. But yeah, I really love her, but yeah, I'm gonna surprise my mom with her. I mean, what is she gonna do? Look at it. Like, what is she gonna do? Say no? Like, she can't really do anything. Okay, so today is the day where I am surprising my mom with a cat for Mother's Day, but I also want this cat, and like I just thought it'd be a funny thing to film because I just figured out how to get a cat on my own and bring it to my house. So I don't have her right now, but I have to go and get some like supplies, like the litter box and everything, and I have to do this all without her finding out. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. So currently she's not home, so I'm going to go get this stuff around 2. It is like 11 a.m. right now. I'm gonna go get this stuff around 2, and then my friend's gonna come drop off the kitten around sometime before 5, and then I'll just walk in the door with this cat, tell her to close her eyes, because I told her that I was gonna get her that there's gonna be a surprise, a Mother's Day gift surprise, and it's gonna be a big surprise. So I'm gonna tell her to close her eyes, and I'm just gonna kind of like lay the cat on her hands and see her reaction. I'm gonna film it all, so if you guys wanna watch that, just keep watching. Okay, bye mom. Going to go get part of your surprise. Bye. No, when I come back, I'm gonna tell you to go in your room, and I'm gonna go bring it to my room, okay? It's because it's not the full thing yet, okay? Okay, so I am going to Walmart to get the litter box, the toys, all that with my friends. So yeah. No, they're closed.
What is making sound? What's wrong with you? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, what is wrong with you? Oh, what?
Oh, here's Elvis.
Elvis?
Security they need at a price you can afford.
Call 1-800-711.
Is she real?
Yeah.
Visit selectquote.com now for the insurance your family needs.
At a price you can afford.
I told you it's like probably an animal.
You save.
Cute. Where'd you get her, Emily?
She's really playful. She's playing with the laundry. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks of having my cat, and my mom absolutely loves her. Yeah, and she has a lot of energy right now. She's like running around playing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please like the video and comment what you guys want to see me do next. I know this isn't like a regular video that I usually post, but I just thought it'd be fun to film. And subscribe for more. Okay, bye guys.